Slider Windows Lexington offers a range of benefits for both residential and commercial properties. With energy-efficient slider windows Lexington, homeowners and businesses can significantly reduce their energy bills while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their buildings. Custom slider windows are available to meet the unique needs of any property, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Energy-efficient slider windows Lexington, SC, are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These windows are an excellent investment for those looking to improve their property's energy efficiency. Vinyl slider windows are a popular choice due to their durability, low maintenance, and affordability, making them an ideal option for many homeowners. Double-pane slider windows Lexington offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making them a top choice for those seeking comfort and peace in their homes. Affordable slider windows are available from various sliding window companies in Lexington, SC, ensuring that every homeowner can find a solution that fits their budget. Residential slider windows are tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners, providing both functionality and style. Sliding window maintenance is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they continue to operate smoothly. Sliding window upgrades in Lexington, SC, can enhance the functionality and appearance of your windows, providing additional benefits such as improved security and energy efficiency. Sliding window styles and designs in Lexington, SC, offer a wide range of options to suit any architectural style or personal preference. Commercial slider windows Lexington are designed to withstand the demands of high traffic areas while providing excellent energy efficiency. Sliding window replacement services in Lexington, SC, ensure that any issues with your windows are promptly addressed, maintaining their performance and appearance. Sliding window replacement is a crucial service for those looking to upgrade their windows to more modern, efficient options. Sliding window options in Lexington, SC, include various materials, colors, and finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their home's decor. Sliding window features such as easy operation, low maintenance, and energy efficiency make them a popular choice among homeowners. Sliding window benefits include improved ventilation, natural light, and unobstructed views, enhancing the overall living experience. Slider Windows Lexington solutions are provided by experienced sliding window experts who can guide you through the selection and installation process. Sliding window contractors in Lexington, SC, are skilled professionals who ensure that your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Sliding window companies in Lexington, SC, offer a wide range of products and services to meet the needs of every customer. Sliding window services in Lexington, SC, include installation and replacement, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Sliding window specialists in Lexington, SC, have the expertise to handle any window-related project, providing high-quality results. Sliding window professionals in Lexington, SC, are dedicated to delivering exceptional service and customer satisfaction.